Hello dear students. Today I want to show you what to use in order to learn vocabulary. Over here we have got a web page that is called messenglish.com. This is a web page that has got home, flashcards, worksheets, games, certificates, phonics, curriculum, projects, and forums. I want to be really sincere with you. What I use the most is the flashcard section. When you download this flashcard section, you'll find the topics we use the most in the classrooms. Today, I want to show you daily routines. When we check the daily routines flashcards and the vocabulary we may use for the topic of present simple, we will find daily activities flashcards, daily routine, and flashcards set 1. And then over here, in the middle of the page, we are gonna find set 2. What's the difference between both of them? Set 1 tends to be the most popular uses or verbs. Example, wake up, wash your face, take a shower, dry your hair, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, get dressed, go to the bathroom, make your bed, go to school, study, have lunch, get home, do your homework, have dinner, take a bath, go to sleep. And then in the set 2, we have like more complex ones. That's floss, drive or go to work, make coffee, take a walk, do the laundry, do the dishes, read the paper, clean the house, take a nap, shave, go grocery shopping, cook, dinner, do your makeup, do your hair. Over here, if we want to practice the vocabulary, then we are going to have several options. One of it will be finding the large flashcards, the medium ones, and the small ones. Those are flashcards to play. I'm going to see right now the small game cards, and I'm gonna show you which ones are they. In here, you're gonna use this for the students in order to learn in a visual way how to learn the verbs of the routine. It's so important to laminate them because if you wanna have them for several uses, then you do not wanna have the students grabbing those flashcards with their dirty fingers and then put saliva onto them. So it's better if you can laminate them. Okay, I'm gonna close these. Then we are gonna find like a bingo or a lotto in which you can play with the students. And if you are a professor who's got kids, then it's a great idea just to use them to play at home. It will also help us, teachers, to remember the whole thing. So you get here like some flashcards, some small flashcards or images, but they are organized like a bingo thing. Also, you are gonna find here a handout, just in case you wanna have the students cut and paste these pictures into flashcards or into the notebook. Then you'll get the choice to just have one page with all of the verbs that you are practicing with. Now, finally, if you are a professor who did not have time to prepare a PowerPoint presentation, then you click on the PowerPoint, you download it, and then you're gonna use it for teaching in class. And the only thing that you will need is an overhead projector and then start working with your kids. It will take about 2-3 minutes to download, but once it downloads, it'll be like a full PowerPoint presentation that you can use. While this opens, let me tell you that if you are interested on having the students to work at home with worksheets, the only thing you need to do is click on the worksheet and start selecting the words that you would like to practice with them. It's gonna tell you, Professor, what do you want to put on your flashcards, on your worksheets. And then you're going to start designing your own. So you can say spaghetti string worksheets, or you can click on body parts and adjectives. And then you are going to have the whole source done for you. So it's going to tell you, if you select this grammar sheet, then it will have vocabulary of adjectives, mainly. If you select this kind, this word search, or this free think, it's going to have this and that. Of course, you can create spelling worksheets as well. And that's based on the vocabulary that you worked in the classroom. The versions, most of them are done in a PDF file that looks just like the one we are watching in the video. And the only thing that you need to do is let the web page to prepare everything for you. So I do recommend it. I know that it's a great source for you to learn vocabulary, and that you do not need to practice only with your students but also with your family. And if you feel like into the mood of graduating your students in vocabulary things, then you are going to also have the certificates, which you can have with the student's name and a grayed out picture of the vocabulary they learned. Finally, we have our PowerPoint presentation, the one we said that we were going to have at the beginning. What I do is that I print it in black and white sometimes, and I also use it when I am running into the first topic the first time. So please, guys, bear those things in mind. It's a very useful source, and if you feel like you are not having enough time, then it's great to use it for having lessons in just 3 steps. Love you, have a great time, and we'll see you soon.